Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to go over how you guys go about hiding items within your floor plan or any view in that matter. This will be the same process if you guys were trying to hide something in a floor plan or if you guys were trying to hide something in a elevation view, for instance, or a section. It really doesn't matter. This process will work for any view that you guys are in. So to get started, you guys want to be in the floor plan or the view that you guys want to hide the item in. Once you guys are in that view, you want to just select the item you want to hide. And so for purpose of example, I'm just going to hide these two side chairs. And one thing to note when you guys are working with your hidden tool is you guys can select as many items as you want to. You can hide them all together, or you guys can do singular items within your model as well. So once you guys have your selection made, you guys actually want to right click on your mouse. Once you guys right click, you guys want to go down to hide in view. And if you guys are just trying to hide the elements that you guys have selected, then you guys want to select elements. You can also choose to hide by category, which means that anything that is a part of the category that these side chairs are in will be hidden along with the chairs. So for instance, because these are furniture pieces, if I was to select category, it would hide all of the furniture pieces within that view. Or you guys can do by filter. And so if you guys were to do by filter, you can actually select individual items that you want to hide within that view. So we're going to go ahead and select elements. And once we select elements, Revit will hide those items in that view. Now, if you guys wanted to bring those items back or see what items you guys have hidden within your view, you guys want to come down to your bottom ribbon here, and you guys want to go to your reveal hidden elements icon, which is going to be the light bulb. So if you guys have that light bulb turned off, it's not going to show any of the items that you guys have hidden. Now, if you guys click once, it will turn that light bulb on, and you guys are able to see not only the floor plan or the view that you guys are in, but you guys are also able to see the items that are hidden as well, and those are going to be shown in pink. So if you guys wanted to bring these elements back, you guys could just select those, right click again. This time you guys want to go to unhide in view, and you guys want to select elements again. Once you guys have selected elements, you want to hit escape and go ahead and turn back off your reveal hidden elements. So you just want to click that one time, and it will bring those elements back within your view. So that is how you guys go about hiding anything that you guys do not want to see within your views. And it does not just have to be furniture. It can be any elements that you guys have present within the view that you guys are looking at. So that can be anything from walls, to windows, doors, equipment, floors, anything that's there, you guys can hide it. Even if you guys have created any just detail items within your view using detail lines, you guys can hide those as well. So this is a very helpful tool when you guys want to keep elements within your view, but you may not necessarily want to see it in certain views. This is a great tool to be able to turn those elements off. So that is the gist of that. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments on videos or recommendations of videos that you guys would like to see. Thank you guys for joining me today.